This is how much money I've made last month from YouTube ads. And this is how much money I've made from the links in my description. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this video, we're gonna talk about the top 3 ways that most people are making a lot of money on YouTube. I'm actually gonna break it down for you and show you step by step how these 3 ways of making money on YouTube work and how you can do them yourself. So as a social media marketing coach, one of the top questions that I get daily is, how do I actually make more money with social media? So if you don't follow my channel, every single month I share with you guys how much money my channel is making from YouTube ads. So if you want to keep up with how my channel grows over time, whether I'm making more money or less money, feel free to like this video and also subscribe to my channel because I post videos like this every single week. All right, so let's jump right in. Let's talk about number 1, which is YouTube ads. I just show you my earnings for the previous month from how much money I've made from the ads that play on my videos. Most likely, when you started watching this video, you had an ad that played before my video, and most likely you decided to either watch the ad or skip the ad. So for every 1,000 ad impressions that I get on my videos, I get to make money. This is how the YouTube Partner Program works, and in order for you to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, this is not really that difficult to get. In fact, I have multiple videos on my channel that can teach you how you can grow a channel, a completely brand new channel, from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers, and how to get more views without having to make a ton of videos. And guys, I have over 300 videos on my channel, so all you have to do is go back to my channel and start searching for the type of content that you need. But most people think that in order for you to make any money with YouTube ads, like $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 per month, you gotta have a massive subscriber base, or you have to be able to get millions and millions of views every single month. It depends entirely on your niche. Some categories on YouTube actually pay more money because what determines how much money you get for every 1,000 views is something called RPM, which stands for revenue per impressions. And for every 1,000 impressions on your ad, you're gonna get a fixed rate. Now, for my channel, that could be anywhere from $7 to $10 to $12 for every 1,000 views, depending on which videos on my channel are getting the most views for that month. Some videos have a higher RPM, some videos have a lower RPM, and if the videos that have a higher RPM are getting the most views, then that means I will actually make more money even if I get less views for that month. So a great example of a channel that doesn't have that many videos but makes a ton of money from YouTube ads, it's Zara Finance. She actually doesn't have that many videos, but because she's in the finance space, that category has a very high RPM. We're talking about RPMs of 25, 30, $50 for every 1,000 views. So even if she gets only 200,000 views or 3 or 500,000 views per month, not even 1,000,000 views per month, she's still able to make a few $1,000s per month because of the category of her channel. So in a nutshell, the amount of subscribers you have on your channel has nothing to do with how much money you can make from YouTube, but it has everything to do with the amount of views you're getting and the topic of your videos. So don't be fooled by channels that have a lot of subscribers, because in most cases, they're only making about $1 to $5 for every 1,000 views. So that means they really have to get millions and millions of views every month to be able to make any real money. And this is why you can't just rely on YouTube ads for your channel, because some months you'll make more money, other months your RPM might go down and you might not make as much money as the previous month. So guys, just relying on YouTube ads as your main source of income from YouTube, it's not a good idea. So you have to diversify, you have to find ways to make more money outside of YouTube without relying entirely on YouTube ads. And that brings me to number 2, which is affiliate marketing. Guys, affiliate marketing is one of my favorite ways to make money on YouTube because you don't really need a lot of views to be able to make money with it. And affiliate marketing is basically when you're promoting products and services and you make a commission for every sale that you can refer. In fact, if you check the description of my videos, you'll notice that I have multiple products that I'm promoting and services that I personally use for my own business, and those are affiliate links. You'll find those affiliate links in almost every single video that I publish. And that's because a lot of people check the description and they check some of the products and services you're promoting, and if they like it, if they decide to make that purchase, you can make anywhere from 30 to 50% commissions of those products. And if you're a complete beginner to affiliate marketing, you don't know how it works, then go ahead and download my free affiliate marketing guide. You can, like I said, 100% free. You can download it and it'll teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and how it works. Now, I'm going to show you a great example of a YouTube channel that doesn't have a lot of subscribers, but he makes a ton of money from affiliate marketing. We're talking a lot of money every single day from sales of different affiliate programs that he's promoting. So I'm going to jump into my computer very quickly so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to be using one of the biggest affiliate networks online as an example, just to show you guys what I'm talking about. And we're using Clickbank. So Clickbank has a lot of categories for digital products that you can promote as an affiliate. So I'm just going to click here on, let's say we're going to do e-business and marketing. So we get a list of digital products that we can promote, and as you can see on the right hand side, it tells you how much money you can make on average for every single sale. So let's say we wanted to promote this product right here, Click Wealth System. Let's go on YouTube and actually search for a review of this product. So as you can see, when I type Click Wealth System review on YouTube, I get some videos actually talking about this product, whether or not the product is good or not. And now I'm not an affiliate of this product. I've never used this product before, so I can't really tell you anything about the product itself. What I do want to show you is that all of these videos have one thing in common. They're actually posting review videos for specific products, affiliate products that they pretty much tested or bought, and now they're giving their honest opinion. And in most cases, they're also promoting the product as an affiliate. Now, I want to show you someone who does this really well and actually makes a lot of money doing this. So this is General Armstrong. He has, as you can see, 63,000 subscribers and 1,228 videos. That is a lot of video, guys. And even though he has that many videos, you can see he doesn't have that many subscribers because, to be honest, he doesn't really need a lot of subscribers because he's making so much money using this review method with affiliate products. So if we go and actually take a look at some of his videos, you can see his latest videos. He posts videos almost every single day. You can see his latest videos has 525 views 19 hours ago, and it's exactly that, a video review for an affiliate product. And this is another one right here, posted a day ago. You can see 608 views. So for every single video, even if he's not getting a lot of views, even if he's not making a lot of money from the YouTube ads that play on those videos, affiliate sales that are coming from people searching for this reviews for this product. So basically, by creating video reviews of affiliate programs and services, he's able to basically put his videos on the first page of YouTube for those programs. So whenever someone is searching for reviews before making that purchase, they land on his videos, and if they like the review, they might actually go and buy the product from his link, making him a commission. So he's not relying on just YouTube ads. He's basically making most of his money from referring people to different affiliate programs and services. And this is something that anyone can do. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. You can simply screen record your computer actually reviewing that product and giving your honest opinion about that product. And if people want to buy it from you, they can simply go to the description of your videos, click the link, and they can actually go and buy it, and you'll make a commission. So affiliate marketing, I love affiliate marketing as a way to monetize YouTube videos. Like I said, I make money from affiliate marketing every single month from the links in my videos, and I actually make more money from affiliate marketing than what I make from YouTube ads. And last but not least, number 3 is courses. Guys, every single YouTuber, no matter how big or small, have their own courses. Now, there's this misconception that selling a course is something that is considered to be bad, because there's a lot of people selling a lot of recycled content that really offers no value. But if you have a lot of knowledge in one specific topic or niche, you have a lot of experience, and you can teach that information to other people who might be interested in learning that, then you can package that into a course and make money. So let me give you an example of a big YouTuber who's making a lot of money from YouTube ads, but is also making money from courses. And that's Graham Stefani. If you actually go to the description of his videos, you'll find that he has a link to one of his courses. He actually has multiple courses, one about real estate, another one about how to actually launch a YouTube channel and be successful with YouTube, which are both great courses. And he's actually providing a lot of value and information. And whether or not people buy his course or not, he's still making money. So guys, these are the top 3 ways that most people are making money on YouTube. So if you combine all of these 3, you have a way to make some real money on YouTube. By just not relying on a single source, you have more chances of succeeding with your channel. So I really hope that this video was helpful, that it provided you with some guidance and information, and now you have a better understanding on how you can monetize your content on YouTube. With that said, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button below. It's really gonna help me out with this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this every single week, and my intention is to provide you guys with as much value as possible. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.